Let's talk about the insights feature inside of Google Search Console. For those of you who don't know what Google Search Console is, it's basically a free tool made by Google for website owners to maintain and troubleshoot their website's presence in the Google search results. So you might ask yourself, what is the new feature? What is this new feature all about? So basically, the insights feature combines data from your Search Console together with data from Google Analytics to give you an overview of how the individual pages on your website are performing. Now, if you understand how the individual pages on your website are performing, then you can take quick, actionable, data driven decisions. So let's dive in and take a look at how this works. So, this is the Insights tab, and under content, we have top, we have trending up, then we have trending down. So, top is referencing top content, trending up is the same. So, basically, the name suggests trending up. So, content that is trending up, and then if for some reason you have a content that is trending down, then you'll be listed under content that is trending down. So if you know your top content, then possibly there's something that you're doing right that you're not doing on the pages that are trending down. So with this understanding, you can now optimize all the pages that are not trending because you understand what your customer needs so that they can also rank in the Google search results. You understand? Now, aside content, we have queries. So queries addresses the top queries that is directing traffic to your website. All right. And so basically, queries are the pain points of customers. All right. So if you understand the pain points of customers and then the top queries directing people to your website, then you understand exactly what your target audience needs. And then you can uh, create content around these queries to build topical authority so you can even rank better. Right. Now, next to it is countries. So this is a list of countries from which you are getting the most traffic. All right. So that's just it. All right. Before we didn't have this, and I can tell you for non-techies, it's difficult. All right. But now with this, there is more clarity, I can say. And for sure, this is the creme de la creme. And it's totally amazing and it's a game changer. If you haven't taken a look at this, please do well to do to actually take a look, because you might be missing out on something good. Now, that will be all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like the content, please do well to subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so you get notified whenever I make videos like this. I'll be making videos around AI, SEO, web design, and so much more. So you wouldn't want to miss out. See you in the next one.